one heck of a 3.5 years. I've learned so much from you. It's been one of the most magical and meaningful journeys of my life. I am incredibly proud of the woman you've become and the woman you're going to keep becoming. You are my greatest adventure, my safest home, my clearest mirror, my wildest dream. Today it is my honor to ask you to be the queen to my kingdom. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Go back, go back, go back.
Oh my god, it's perfect.